Hi kids, Kevin Heesacker here, but you all know me as Chicken Boy. And you know what? It's not easy being Chicken Boy to go through life feeling absolutely perfectly cocky no matter what, no matter the outcome, whether I'm good at something or if I completely suck at it, it doesn't matter to me because I'm Chicken Boy and I am always perfectly cocky. And that's why this summer, I'm going to be putting on the new variety show known as Sunday Unplugged, hosted by who? Me, Chicken Boy. Why? Because I'm perfect. I'm perfectly cocky. And that's why I'm here today at this basketball court to demonstrate just how perfectly cocky I am. Because at everything I do, it doesn't matter. It's always going to be a perfectly cocky slam dunk. Perfectly cocky. Perfect. Oh yeah, that was perfect. I don't care. I don't know if that went in, but I'm pretty sure that was perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Oh!
That was perfectly cocky. Eventually, yeah. Bastard took my ball. This is the problem with the crime in this town. That's why I'm voting for Hal Dobb, because he's going to put it into these ball stealing punks like that.
Oh,
Oh, nice.